What to do at Gardens by the Bay?
Lagi, kita kay.
Hindi, wala na.
Pwede man to, up and down. Morning everyone. Daddy oh, OOTD. Ate and I, coords. It's our 4th day na lang na?
No? Third.
No.
Nasa third day.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 4th day. No na.
Can exchange. Full bus. That's a full train.
Just hold up.
Where's the full?
Ano si ate? Oh, thank you. Baba, come here, come here. Sabi oh. Where are we going? Garden?
The gardens. The gardens, and I don't know why we're going to gardens. Why are we going to?
Where's kid?
Bakit kami?
Andrew?
Kami.
Mas ikaw, daddy ka? Minais lagi ko, no?
Here kami. Kami. Here.
Andrew?
Oh, sandali. Nasya.
Nice ba diri eh? Nice kayo no?
Ay, kung ano ito?
Adib ko. Teacher, kali na!
Yeah, balik ya. Tita!
Okay lang. Ngayon. No? Orange. Oh, nice.
I love the green one. Oh, here, oh, there's two of each. And
dinosaur. Tugnaw ka, Day? Itugnaw ka, Day? Dahil ka t-shirt na, Day. Behave.
I'm gonna feed you there.
No, because I'm only a
Hindi
kid.
ko po dad, dagan. Init.
I'm only a kid.
Nga, tuloy nga po.
Wow, why
Hindi ako
you-
pagsasapaw.
Uy!
Oh, that. What's that? What's that?
Sige.
Picture na, picture.
Wala. Mana ko.
Ikaw.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, come on. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Pinood ka doon. Jurassic.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Ah. Yeah. Stop, bro.
Up. Ooh. How many floors is this, Bob? We are on top. Cloud. What is this one?
The cloud walk.
Cloud walk.
So there's like
Yeah, the
a flying dinosaur.
yeah.
I forgot the name, but I know what that
How much on daddy?
is.
Wait for daddy, sabi. Baba, hi. Look at the flower, they're so nice.
So it's a big one.
Sila ina-apply na ba?
Up here.
There.
Mommy, look.
Andrew, look here, oh.
Look up there. Look at that bump. See the water? I want to go there. Hi, guys.
Boy. That's it. Steady. Good girl. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, meet Blue. Not only is she sharp, but she is super, super fast. But not to worry, she's pretty well trained. I'm going to show that with a simple tracking exercise
Rangers
I
live raptors
always
that
do
way.
with them. Blue, eyes on me.
One cost
Siya, tea.
$40.
It's $39.
Okay, Andrew, come on.
So this one lang okay, 4.5. Not I remember this isa. Oh, this one t-shirt. Ito yung t-shirt. Yay. At least na isa.
Thanks for watching. God bless. Next vlog, Sakala Encounter.